In this video, I'm going to show you how to change name in XM account. Now, here inside your account dashboard, you may have seen that if you go to the very top right, click on Settings, go to Personal Info and then Personal Details. Whenever you've done the KYC and have verified your account, your full name is going to be in here. However, you cannot change it. So of course, it's not going to allow you to do this. And if you actually want to change it, the only thing you can do is you can go to xm.com, scroll down to the bottom, and in here, click on Contact Us. Once you do that, you have three options. You can either start a live chat by clicking this button over here. You can go ahead and give them a call, so between these hours on weekdays over here, and this is the number, or you could send them an email by clicking compose email over here, and then of course any of the methods you use, just let them know you'd actually like to change your name for whatever reason. You may have changed your actual name or something like that, I don't know, and then of course after you let them know this, they will let you know how you could actually change your name and help you out with your problem and solve it. Okay, so that's how you can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.